Hey Planner Jewels, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I planned this week's mini planner, stay tuned. So what we see here is I am showcasing Golden Plans Co. or Golden Plans Company. I first ordered this sticker right here a few months ago and I was so in love with her, and I actually kind of forgot that I was ordering stickers through Etsy because I've gotten in the habit of picking up Happy Planner stickers. But then I saw on another planner's page, I believe it was E. Michelle, where I saw a couple of these items right here. I fell in love with this cover right here, which is the black and white stripe. She leaves a little sparkle. This planner actually comes in both the Happy Planner as well as the Erin Condren, and it comes in various sizes. So I got this one for my mini planner, and then I also purchased this pink and black kit as well as Michaela. These are my new additions from Golden Plans Company. Now, I'm going to not only use these stickers for this week, but I'm also going to use some of my Happy Planner stickers. I have a very busy week coming up, and I definitely need the space to actually write into my planner. So I'm going to do a little decorating, but I'll probably do more in my classic and my classic, which is my catch-all, and my social media planner. So since I am going to be busy this week, that is the sticker that is going to populate. Where am I going to populate it here? I actually have a meeting in a conference up in New York. And this, I'm not sure if she has a name or not, but this was the leather jacket. If you can see it here, just the leather jacket young lady. She reminds me of myself in that I was sporting a bun and I also wear glasses. So kind of reminded me of myself. And so I fell in serious like with her. All right, so I got a lot going on. I am going to I don't even know if I'm going to have a color theme because I haven't even thought about it. I just know that I saw the kit and I wanted to use a kit. Now the kit is pink and black and TV. What day am I watching TV? I do watch TV. I want to say I watch it for about an hour a day, and unfortunately I do watch ratchet television. But I also need to shoot another video that I can post up this week. So I'm actually just going to use this camera for the video, just so that I can film. I do have some YouTube stickers that I made. I actually don't know where I put them, but I do have some stickers. This sticker here, let me take this out. I know better. Just make it easy on myself. And just have her in the wings. So my TV is a little crooked. I can't get my TV straight. My TV don't want to be straight. It's probably because I don't need to watch it. But I watch one ratchet TV show. And I love, I'm not going to say I love it, but I do watch Love and Hip Hop. I don't watch all of them. I don't like the Miami one at all. Sorry. But I mainly watch Love and Hip Hop, Atlanta and LA. Are the ones that I actually watch. I do have weekend plans, which mainly is all about work. Well, in case if you guys don't know, I do sell paparazzi accessories, and I also have a meeting with that. And let's see, I'm not keen on these stickers right here. I don't know why. I kind of feel like they're annoying. I'd rather have the dots or the hearts. I do have a meeting for a wedding that I am helping out with. And was I supposed to put it this way? I don't even know if I did that right, if I was supposed to put it this way. And I do have a TV show. My 1-hour TV show for Tuesday is Married at First Sight. Y'all, I don't even want to say who I heard from, but I heard about this show, and I want to cut the bottom of this off. I just watched it, heard about the show, just watched it for one episode just to see what the show was about, and I've been hooked. So I've been, do I want to cover it? Yeah, I can cover this. Because actually the only thing I'm actually going to put here is where I'm going and the address that I'm going to, just so that I can have it on hand, because that my mini planner will be going with me. And I'm just going to cover up this Monday. Because these are the things that I need to get done. Okay, so I can put my meeting here, and then I can just write in the location to where my meeting is on the line. And so I guess I won't be watching TV this day. I forgot about the meeting just that fast. So in actuality, I'm done with this. I am not going to add any more to it because I have to actually write a lot of information on here. And I think this is where it goes. There's so much information that I actually need to write. Therefore, I don't know why that was so stressful. But that is my view for the week. In my mini planner, I am actually going to do a lot more for my social media as well as my catch-all planner. I'll do more, but because I need this to be with me every day and I have to keep up with some things, I'm just gonna leave this just like it is with a lot of white space so that I can actually write, and I write pretty big. So all right guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button down below to be notified of each and every time that I post a new video so that you can be the first in the know. And in case you missed my last video, you can check it out here.